Hi friends, I want to show you my new color bulbs. These are only 1 watt per bulb. These bulbs are intended for light strings. They can be installed outside or inside, and they come in different colors. There are 24 bulbs, and you get 4 bulbs of each color, for red, orange, green, blue, purple, and pink. Okay, so I think it's a nice touch for a playroom like this or for the patio. Let me show you. As you can see, now we have a more colorful lighting in our entrance patio here in the main tree of our home. So we like these color bulbs. Thank you.